Why I look like that? Look at my big ass head. I don't know why my voice is going away. Hello guys. I wanted to do a productive vlog today. So yeah, you're just gonna follow me around throughout my day. It's 5:30. I woke up at 4:30, but honestly I don't know what I wasted my hour in. I'm going to the gym, so I need to eat something small. Ew, cutie. I'm gonna eat one of these. These be looking a little weird, but I think these are the natural ones. And then I'm probably gonna take this. Why is it so? Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost pressed the SOS button. Low key, like, I'm scared. Like, I always get scared going out alone. Really, it's only like when I'm parking. Like, I always get scared at the parking lot. But when I'm in public, I'm like, okay. I'm here. It's so lonely. Here I am. There's one person here. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my little outfit and like show you my little routine. I just go by whatever. Like, I should be more specific and like plan out my workout. So we got this. It's from OYS Sports. I have a couple of them, so maybe I'll show you guys a haul. Because they're like super cute and like, you know, cute gym sets. Oh my god. So I use this thing as my stand and now it's all spilled. Only me, bro. Only me. This is my before. Like, I'm barely getting somewhere, you know? But I'm just gonna keep going. A little pause moment. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys liked it. Okay, so for the gym, I just decided to do some squats. I'm still working on my form, so don't judge my exercises. Secondly, I did hip thrust because why not? I should deadlift, but I don't. I get lazy with it, and that's probably why I have a muscle imbalance. But I decided to do these. I don't know what they're called, but then I also did these. I don't know what they're called either. They're just the ones that I feel like work out your hip dips kind of. And then I do these type of lunges. I think they're called like Bulgarian squats. That was pretty much it. The after pump is so cute. It's like little, but it's getting somewhere. You know, I kind of told my gym plan like a story, but I don't feel like redoing it, so we're just gonna deal with that. Okay, I'm done. It's 7:05, so it took like an hour because I started at 6. Ever since I started school, I haven't been able to come like 3 times a week. The past 3 weeks I've only came once a week, and you know you're not gonna see good results. Like, my camera just died, even though I'm only gonna be able to come like once or twice a week and the results are gonna be slower. I feel like I should still come. Like, it's not bad if I do, so at least I'm trying. But yeah, my nalgas feel like they're gonna fall off, but we're gonna go home now. I don't know what I'm gonna cook, but I'm pretty sure Andres is still asleep. I wanted to do like a drive with me in this video too, but my camera died, so I'm just gonna be holding my phone and jamming out to music. Let me know if y'all have heard this song, because I only heard the TikTok version, but I've been listening to the full song and I kind of like it. I know that you kiss and tell, who's someone that we can tell. You need a real in your life. I come in like a thief in the night. 2 phones on your tight. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you. You see me ballin' in my bitch phone. I don't even know the lyrics, bro. I'd be like, look at the sunset. It looks way prettier in person. It looks like kind of pink. Oh my god, this windshield wiper is not helping. Bro, why'd I have to stop? I'm literally almost home, but I want to listen to this song. I recommend this song. Oh shit, it's not even on. Like a moth to a flame. What you need
does he know you call me stay?
The lights went out, so I'm gonna have to shower like this with this lights. I'm going to be making some oatmeal as like a post-gym meal. Oh, I already showered too. Okay, so this is my little breakfast. It came out super cute. I love oatmeal. I used to eat it plain, and so I never really liked it, but now I put toppings on and it's way better. I had to do it with water because there's no milk. And I think I should stop drinking so much milk or like dairy products and like try alternatives like oat milk or almond milk. The oatmeal with water be buzzing. I don't really put much in my oatmeal. I just put water, a little bit of cinnamon, and a little bit of maple syrup, and then the oatmeal, and then toppings, and that's good enough for me. I need to drink water. Did you know, if you do not drink enough water, it could be the cause of, you know, like your memory, like you forget stuff fast, fatigue. I learned this in school. Like, you know how your body's made up like mostly of water? If there's like a 2% decrease in that, it affects your daytime fatigue. Like you have daytime fatigue. And that's like crazy because you could be drinking enough water and that could be your resolution. Just a fun fact, okay? I'm still not drinking how much I'm supposed to, but I mean, it's better. Sometimes I don't even drink like a sip. But we're working on it. What do I need to do today? Well, today I need to grocery shop. I need to get ready. I need to make a few videos. And I need to cook to eat, obviously. And I have homework. And I need to take off these nails. I'm so slow. I could have had my nails at school this whole time. I don't need to take them off until I start facials practices. So I'm not gonna do them now. Like I start next week, but I am gonna do them because I never got to do them. Cute. I need to make another video too, and I need to plan out. Oh my god, I just need to plan out everything I need to do. We outside. We're gonna go to the store real quick, but I'm not gonna grocery shop. I'm just gonna buy something. I don't want to get in trouble for like what I'm gonna buy or what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do my makeup in the car to save some time. Believe it or not, it's kind of hard to do your makeup in your car.
Once you get to,
I need to change my makeup routine. It's not coming out the same anymore. It doesn't look how it used to look, like smooth and flawless. Every time I find good products for my makeup, after a while they like stop working on my face. It's weird.
I'll just get old.
Oh yeah.
What's a concealer?
First, you need your base. So that's foundation. Not everyone uses foundation. And then there's concealer, which is like for your under eyes to be a little bit lighter, so your whole face isn't one color. You should do my makeup, Jordy.
Huh?
Oh my god, guys, look at my makeup. Look how dramatic I did it. I better get some good pictures today or something because... Can you believe it's still barely 10:30 a.m.? You're okay. Oh, my turn? I'm okay. I'm just gonna cut it out. It's okay. You can't see it. The camera doesn't pick up on it.
No, but what I'm saying is that...
They're there.
No, but still, like, I'm talking about like my seats and everything. It's on everything. On
oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, you're right. I didn't realize that. I always do that. I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
I need Blake, please come back. He will fix that real quick.
You can fix it yourself if you learn how to do car shit. Whenever you do a lip combo, make sure you use a brush to blend. It makes it 10 times better. I don't know how to blend them like super good, but they look decent. Whenever I get my makeup done, the lady that does my makeup always does my lips good, and I never can do them like her. Like, is this too much of a cupid's bow? Like, I could blend it in to make it look more fuller because I have a big cupid's bow. Oh jeez Louise. Okay, I finished my makeup. It looks a little dark, but I promise it's these eyelashes may be a little dramatic. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking some pictures and trying to do Instagram reels. So I'm gonna be outside while Jordy is cooking. I'm done taking pictures. I took a little minute. And I think I made one Instagram reel. I say I think because I don't know if I'm gonna post it. But I just make them, and then if I like it, then I'll post it. I also need to make TikToks. Still waiting on food. It's almost ready. Oh, you already got some of them done?
No.
Yeah, that's amazing. Oh my god, the sandwich rib. We're still waiting on the fries, but this is what we're gonna eat with lettuce and tomato. Okay, I got the sandwich ready. These are actually like not Hawaiian breads. They're like the Publix brand and they're bigger. So we made it to a sub. I need some sauce. My dumbass didn't dry the lettuce right. Buffalo.
I should have put some oil on it too. Brushed it.
This is good.
I appreciate you don't talk with your mouth open.
You want me to talk like this? Good. And it was on the air fryer. And yesterday I got tacos, so I have leftover Jamaica.
What did I make in the air fryer yesterday?
Fries for Andres.
Oh.
I miss him. It's already 1. Usually he's back. Okay, I did the tripod too big. Like this. One of my eyes looks bigger than the other. Okay, I made it upstairs by myself. So I finished eating. Andres came around that time, so he was with us. But now I'm gonna do my nails. I took off the acrylics. And I don't know what I want to do. Look who came back to their mama. Go to sleep. Acuéstate. Mimi. So I did one hand. I also need to do my toes, but I might do those tonight or tomorrow. I went with this color, but it's not really the color I'm looking for. But I'm not gonna start over, so I'm just gonna add some chrome on top. Okay, this is how my nails turned out. They look cute, like chromey. I wish I could have done like black, so it would have looked like more sleek, because I feel like this is so like pop of color. Okay, we came to a farmer's market. Like a small one in our town. Oh, okay. Obama has been here.
Real?
Yeah, they have a picture of him. That was a lot faster than I thought. We got out in like 20 minutes and we paid like $10 for everything. I'll show you all the I'll show you all the little groceries we got. It wasn't like a lot, but it's like for the week. And whenever we go to like Walmart or Publix, we pay like 20 to 30 bucks for basic stuff. We're not done grocery shopping. We're supposed to go to Sam's tomorrow for like meat and gas. So I'm just gonna continue this vlog for tomorrow. Oh, we got this banana split for Jordy's grandma, but it keeps overfilling, so I'm just drinking the juice. So that's what we got. We honestly didn't get that much, but I mean, it's only for the week. Grapes, tomatoes, apples, broccoli, sweet potato, cucumber, mango, mushrooms. All right, it's kind of late. Well, actually, just 9:30. I ended up changing my nails to this, and I shaved down my toes, but I still need to paint them tomorrow. And we just ate some. Oh my god. He always wants to play with my tripod. ¿Dónde vas? Ven! For dinner, we cooked cup of noodles. And we ate it with asada. Oh god, stop. You're gonna freaking scratch the floor. We'll be going to sleep. Good night, guys. I promise nothing's wrong with him. He's just really, really sleepy. Aren't you, baby? Look at him. He's like tired. And he's gonna get more mad that I'm gonna brush his teeth now. Okay, this is in continuation from yesterday because I didn't grocery shop or put gas. And usually I do that all together. But here we are. Waiting in this, waiting in this long line. Oh my god, Sam's gas is always packed. I did my toes, but I just need to clean them up. It went so bad. The entire time Andres was screaming. But it was kind of like the yelling crying. Like, wah, eh. And there was so many people. I was like, oh my gosh. But we just got meat and a couple other stuff. That is basically the end of the video. A productive day in my life. I also did some homework. I took my protein. I feel like I did quite a lot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.